is available purpose space. For your safety, no sitting, standing, or stationing along the coast or handrails. No flash photography or video recording. Once again, welcome to Studio C. Please fill in all that available purpose space. For your safety, no sitting, standing, or stationing along the coast or handrails.
Wow, all right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yes, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my blacklist, Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on, make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks, look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley.
They got it out right. They got it fast.
Y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la limusina. Así que controlar sus efectos personales en el piso y de vigilar a sus niños.
This is Bill St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in LA is headed to the show, so if you're stuck out there on the freeway, just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
Friends out
Sweat spots. Sweat spots.
Keep your head back.
Sweat.
Please stand clear of the track. The ride vehicle has stopped temporarily and will begin motion without warning. Stand clear for your safety.
Oh, we're stuck.
Attention in rock and roller coaster. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Please remain seated.
Hey, VIPs, welcome back. Exit to your right and walk this way.